M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So we're going to have a little play at getting all these repeaters in the UK for now onto this FT5 that you can see in the background. We're playing around with RT Systems software. You can buy the software for about £25 or $25 and it's digital. That's digitally purchased with no CD, and you can use the SCU 19 or SCU 58 cable or buy the one from RT Systems. So let's just read the radio first. So we're going to go to communication, get data from radio like so, and then we're going to follow the instructions. So it asks us to turn off the radio and then to turn it on whilst pressing the F button. Okay, so F button pressed, turn on. Okay, and you get it into clone mode. So just check that it is saying clone, and once it says clone, click the OK button. So let's do it right. Press and hold the F or turn on the radio, verify the radio, and then click OK. Now press the send key. So on the screen it says send, and we're going to click send, and it's now going to get everything from the radio. Okay, now fast forward past this bit because I don't want to stop the video just in case we interfere with anything we need to do. And then what I'm going to do is show you how to load up all the repeaters using Repeater Book. Now we don't actually have to move away from this software, RT Systems software, because RT Systems and Repeater Book they have linked together, and it's a lot easier this way. So let's just wait a second. Sorry about the pause. I highly recommend the YAESU FT5. Right, well, sorry about that, but it's it's a VHF, UHF. It has GPS, Bluetooth, full APRS. It's a beautiful looking radio, lots of functionality, easy to use, and it's a nice looking radio, and interfaces with so many different things. So trying to think of what to say while this is going on. In the UK, they are doing a £50 cash back at the moment, and the date now is the 28th of September 2022. So you can get these for about £350. And I'll tell you now, that isn't for what they do and for what you get. I think that's a bargain. Definitely get yourself a spare battery and get yourself a cradle charger. Right. So once you've done this, you've read the radio, okay. And it's easy to use now. It does ask you to turn off the radio, and then you can turn it back on if you want and see what it's up to. There you go. Right, so click OK. So the next thing we're going to do is show you how to get all these repeaters. So I just wanted to show you how to receive. So what we're going to do now is go File, go down to External Data, and go to Repeater Book Search. Okay, and there's my location, Western-super-Mare. But instead of saying 20 miles radius, let's do 700 miles radius. Actually, let's do 1,000 miles, and click all bands, and then click OK. So what it's going to do now, it's going to find all the repeaters, and some of them will be bands that this radio won't accept. Okay, and as you can see, it's very, very extensive. So now we're going to go communication. Is it too much? Is it not? I know. Let me think now. Sorry about this. Let's go create file for FT5D first. Okay, it creates a new file. Now we should be able to send to the radio. So click send to radio. Then we've got the same procedure. So we need to turn it off. Then hold the F button and turn it on. Like so. Press the so verify it says clone. It does. Press the receive key on the radio. Verify that the radio shows wait. So we're going to press receive. It says wait, and then we're going to click OK. And now it's going to receive all those repeaters. So what I'm going to do is this time I'm going to put this large ugly screen on, and I'm going to pause it so you don't have to bear it. Okay, so we got to the end and the radio rebooted, and now if you look at the radio, everything that you can see on the screen of the PC is now on this radio, and it is very extensive. So you get the idea. So this is how I would use RT systems to get all the repeaters. Of course, you can select, you can change all these. You know, you don't have to have all this. It's all very bespoke. You decide. So 7-3, thanks for watching my channel. I'll catch you on air. All the best.